Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the phone is ready. Plug into Wi-Fi and charge to at least 50%. Open Settings, then System or Software Update to check availability. Once you see the new version, tap Download. The device verifies files. While downloading, you can still use essential apps but avoid heavy multitasking to prevent interruptions. Make sure to back up key data beforehand. This prevents loss if a revert or restore becomes necessary. Proceed to the next step when download completes. You tap Install Now and the device reboots into the updater. This is normal. During installation, the system applies patches, updates the boot image, and optimizes apps. This can take several minutes to half an hour depending on hardware. Once done, the phone may reboot more than once while services reinitialize. That's expected. Make sure the battery remains charged and avoid interrupting power or toggling airplane mode. After the final reboot, follow any on-screen prompts to restore permissions and finish setup. You finish by confirming the update. Open Settings, check About Phone for the new build number, and test core apps and connectivity. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or update it from the App Store. If the device becomes stuck during boot, force reboot once. If it still fails, boot to recovery and clear cache partition before considering a factory reset. As a final step, restore from your backup if needed. This preserves your settings without reintroducing corrupted states.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.